You're going to love this. Just please don't burn the house down. Okay, so today we're leading into spring. People are thinking a little bit about spring cleaning, maybe getting rid of old stuff, and that old stuff can sometimes include energy. So one of my favorite things to do, and I have to say I do it about once a week, but some people do it daily, is I like to smudge my home, or certainly smudge certain rooms. This is a beautiful traditional practice from native culture that we can all enjoy and use. So what I like to use is sage, and this is a big bundle of sage. Now some people will burn the whole bundle. I tend not to do that because there's safety issues around whether or not it's still smoldering deep inside when you think it's out. So I break off some of the leaves and I stick them in a ceramic bowl. I don't use one of those abalone shells. Right. When those shells are heated up, they do emit some kind of a toxin, which I didn't even know about. And they have holes in them, so you could drop embers on the floor, so don't use that. Get a good quality ceramic bowl that you're okay with getting a few like burn marks in. So I use this. The other thing is you need to set an intention. You need to know why you're going to smudge. And generally it's to help cleanse the home, cleanse your room, your space. Just move out any stale energy, stale thoughts. Great after an argument, or just you've had a lot of people, different energy in your home, or you just haven't done it for a while and you just feel like, I usually go by my intuition and I feel like, hey, I should smudge today. I just feel it from my heart. So I prepare my little leaves here in my bowl, and I light it from a candle, not from a match, because sometimes it's a little hard to get them to light up. When I'm setting my intention, I'm just coming into myself. We always keep coming back to our breath. So you just come back to your breath and just be present with yourself and feel that breath moving in and out, and just set the intention that you're going to ask your creator. For some people it could be Jesus, it could be a Buddha, it could be whatever your belief is, you can insert there. That's fine. It could be Mother Earth. But you're asking your higher power, your higher self, or a higher power to please come in and help cleanse and remove any negative energies and replace it with abundance and love and peace and calm. And it's that simple. So you just open your heart to that intention. So the very moment you light, you're taking this beautiful symbol of light, and I take some of my leaves and I light it. Hopefully you can see this on the camera, but I've got, don't burn yourself. It's probably easier if you use something, but I'm getting that in there, and I'm getting some of those other leaves to catch on fire. Okay. And this will start to get a little bit hot. And then some traditions say don't blow it out, but if you use your beautiful spirit breath, you can blow it out. Be careful. If the leaves are loose, they might fly out, and sometimes you can use a feather, which I very often use. You can use your hand. And first we're going to wash ourselves with this. And so what I'm going to invite you to do, Glenda, is with both hands, scoop some of the smoke into your eyes. You're washing your eyes so that you may see truth.
Should I take my glasses off?
That's okay. For right now, you can wash it over your head so you'll know truth. Wash it over your ears so you'll hear truth. Wash it over your throat so that you will also speak and know truth, and bring it into your heart. And then you can have someone, or you can do it yourself. I'm just going around you. Okay. I'm surrounding you. And usually I do this when I'm by myself. I'll do it. And sometimes, Glenda, what I will also do, and I can use the feather. Okay. Just washing your aura, washing your energy. If you imagine it's like washing, you're using the smoke to just clear yourself. And it is very ceremonial. It's a beautiful experience. And then you can move about your house, and I won't because I'll leave the frame of the camera here, but you can move about the house just washing the areas of your house.
I've read or heard that perhaps you should open a window or open a door.
You can, yeah, okay. To let out the negative energy. You can wash it, but I don't typically do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but totally you can. As I'm moving about my space, I love to do the infinity symbol, that figure 8. Yeah. And sometimes I will also chant silently Om to myself. it's just the vibration of it, I guess. It just feels very good. Anyway, there are many different ways to do this. The best practice would be to have sand in the bottom of this, and then you make sure that you have snuffed out any remaining leaves. And then, of course, you can sprinkle water on it. If you don't want to use smoke in your home, or someone has allergies or just doesn't like the smell of it, I happen to love it. You love it too,
love it
right?
too.
Yeah, is you can use smudge spray.
With the smudge spray, I find it's really helpful to carry it in your purse, because sometimes you may
Oh,
just want
yeah.
to do it, like if you're about to go, like, I don't know, on an interview or meeting with somebody and you might be a little nervous. Well, you can't just start lighting up things, like if you just, go into a washroom or
not
go
gonna
into
work.
another room, it's like, what's a smoke? You
Yeah.
set off a smoke alarm, so the sponge spray is so great.
It is
and
super handy. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a really good one to have. Of course, there's incense you can use. There's Palo Santo wood. Palo Santo wood, I find, burns a little blacker. I don't know whether that. I love the smell of it though, and I do use it. And you also have to make sure that that is fully dumped in water,
Yeah.
so that it doesn't smolder and burn your house down. That's it. Thank you for watching. And again, I hope you will leave me some comments below. We love to hear from you, right?
Yeah, for sure. And
Yeah.
make sure that you give us a thumbs up and subscribe below as well. Thanks so much for tuning in.
Thank you.